is up? Just finished coffee with Changovi. Gonna have a quick cocktail maybe. I'm in District 1, just looking for a place that's chill. Oh, thank you. Back here on the Ho Chi Minh walking street after a few cocktails, waiting for my grab. It's been a night. Gotta wake up early, get some coffee, meet up with a couple of friends. Let's see how that goes. Good morning. It's the last day of mine in Ho Chi Minh City on this quick, short getaway. And I think through the course of this trip, I realized that solo traveling is probably not one of my favorite times, because I've done it a fair bit. I think back in 2021, 22, can't remember. But then after that, ever since, I've always been traveling with my friends or in the company of my friends. And I was like, hey, it's been a long time since I did something on my own, and I'll go back to a familiar place. And I'm here, and it's all right, you know. I think any place for me personally doesn't have to be a factor. The truth is only as good as the friends you're with. So, having said that, I am gonna make myself a coffee, Old Town from Malaysia, before I kickstart my day and get on with it. I mean, don't get me wrong, it has been nice, you know, hanging out with my friends, people that I know here in Vietnam, having cocktails, coffee, pho. I haven't had a banh mi yet. Today I gotta make sure I get that ticked off my list before I leave back to Dubai. But it's nice, you know, it's nice. But I just think, I mean, coming back, I live alone back in Dubai. I mean, wherever I live, I'm living alone. So coming back to my place at the end of a night on a regular work day is something different than while being on vacation and you've been out and then you come back into your Airbnb by yourself. It's so quiet. And I guess I'm just not used to sitting alone with my thoughts. Hey, that was today's philosophy. Some hot water for the coffee. I'm a simple being. I have a 3-in-1 coffee. I know, don't judge me, don't be judgmental. Old Town hazelnut coffee is like a core memory with my brother, Nisha, and Malaysia. Which reminds me, I remember once stepped into this balcony. I had the Vietnamese flag right there. That's the view. Saigon River, is it? Okay, so before we head out, a quick unboxing video. This is from Pop Mart. An early Christmas present, a late birthday present from my friend Changovi. Thank you so much. Alright, let's unbox this because this also is a blind box. My first blind box ever. I'm so happy, excited. Let's go. Okay, opening this up. Ta-ta-ta. My first blind box. Yay. No way. I thought it was a crybaby. It's a Labubu. Man, okay, I'm just and I don't often get presents, so when I do get presents, it makes me feel like a child again. I mean, okay, yeah, lately my friends have been spoiling me, so I've been getting a lot of presents, but I don't want to damage the box. Did I open it right? Sorry, this is going on for much longer than it should have. Clearly I'm really bad at this, but ta-da! Okay, let's get this out. It's got a nice bag. You can see the Thank you. Pin fall out. This is turning into an unboxing video. Oh, snap. Wow. This is so cool. This is going immediately on my shoulder bag. Alright, so these are all alphabetic. Yeah. And I got the P in that. This is so cool. Alright, heading out to get some coffee within District 7. Hello. This looks like a ball of cotton. Hey, are you coming home with me or what? Yeah? I finished my coffee, did a quick meeting. Now I have ordered for a banh mi, the first one I'm having on this trip. So excited for it. This is blurry? I don't know, it feels like it's blurry. But anyway, banh mi, going downstairs to collect it. Pick up some chips to take back to Dubai. You know, they have the Wagyu beef flavor. Am I saying that right? Never mind. I'm excited for my banh mi. Okay, let's look at the shopping haul. I've got like some Lays, which are your barbecue Brazilian pork. There's some seaweed, some, you know, like beef flavored Wagyu beef chips. I got a beverage too. Whatever this flavor is, raspberry, I guess. So I'm gonna try this, but I'm gonna have this with my banh mi. This thing is like a build your banh mi thing. You've got some cucumber, some diced veggies, your pickled, I think radish and carrot, and then of course the hero. Oh geez, I should have asked him to slice it. But all of those veggies are gonna go in with this rather delicious banh mi. Look at the damn size of this thing. It's bigger than my face. All right, let's go. I should have sliced it in half. Got a knife, so I'm gonna slice this sucker in half. Very bad job, but it works. Hello. I want to record your bike. Yeah. Bye. Ho Chi Minh City by night. What a vibe. Not sure if you guys can see the Saigon River right there, but that's also the Ho Chi Minh or Vietnamese Burj Khalifa. How are you?
Yeah, new staff.
Ah, okay, hi.
Yeah, maybe it's the first time you see him.
Yeah.
Okay, he just the beginner. Một bê 2 lít. Một cái ruột ngọt. Cái gì đó? Ruột vịt, anh xin lỗi, ruột vịt.
Wow.
Yeah, you have to try it, brother. Hôm qua anh vừa mới ngồi luôn.
Ủa vậy hả?
Hôm qua anh ngồi với bạn anh người Nhật.
Dạ.
Is it the first time you see me wearing glasses?
Yeah.
Okay, cheers. You know, in Vietnam, the culture when you win beer,
Mod
Hi,
hi bye
yo.
yo.
Yeah.
I'm like a local now, dude. So duck intestines.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Scallops. Okay.
Yeah, take a look.
Oh, okay.
But they have the whisper mic.
Oh, okay. All right, all right.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Last drink.
Last drink. 2 people.
Mod, hi, bye. Yo.
Hai ba yo.
All right, my brother, man. Thanks for tonight.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
See you, bro.
Okay, good night, brother.
Good night, good night. See you, man. Get home safe, sleep well. Hello.